When you hear the word hormones, you may think of typical human hormones such as testosterone, estrogen, or even adrenaline. These hormones in our bodies regulate different physiological activities, ranging from the tone of our voices, to our height, to our fight or flight response. Plants, which seem rather unresponsive most of the time, also have hormones to control physiological activities. Hormones are chemical signals that coordinate the different parts of an organism. The word hormone comes from a Greek term that means to excite. These chemicals are produced in very small amounts in one area of an organism and are then sent to another part where a response is triggered. Let's use the human hormone adrenaline to illustrate this. Our adrenal glands are located above our kidneys. They produce a hormone called adrenaline that, when needed, is transported through our bodies to cause an increase in heart rate, dilation of pupils, and other responses to make us more alert. Hormones in plants act in similar ways. They're produced by cells in one area of the plant, such as the leaves, stems, or root, and then transported to a different area of the plant in order to produce a response. While the 5 major plant hormones we will look at sometimes have countless functions, we will focus on the main responses they trigger. Auxins are hormones produced in immature parts of plants that stimulate growth. Auxins were the first plant hormones discovered and have been studied extensively. Auxins are most commonly found in seed embryos, apical meristems, and young leaves. The seed embryo has yet to develop, and the cells have not yet become differentiated. That is, the young cells don't know what they'll be when they grow up yet. Similarly, the apical meristem is the location of primary plant growth and contains new cells that have not yet decided what to become. Auxins stimulate cell differentiation, which means this hormone helps decide if a cell will become ground tissue, or vascular tissue, or protective tissue. Auxins also help stimulate stem elongation, which is what primary stem growth is all about. Primary stem growth will occur when a high enough amount of auxins target a given area. Auxins also help regulate fruit development. Without auxins, fruits are often too small. Some produce farmers will spray artificial auxins on plants, such as apples or pears, in order to increase the size of the fruits. Cytokinins are hormones that are produced in the roots, stimulate growth, and have anti-aging effects. Because they're produced in roots, cytokinins must travel up through the plant's xylem in order to reach the target areas, such as the stems and leaves. Cytokinins have several responsibilities, including working with auxins to stimulate growth and cell differentiation in both stems and roots. Cytokinins also specifically promote growth and development of chloroplasts, the cell organelle responsible for photosynthesis. A unique role of cytokinins is to produce anti-aging effects on some plant parts. When you think of anti-aging products, you may think of expensive face creams that advertise giving a younger, brighter look. Cytokinins actually provide a younger, healthier look in plants. Florists commonly use cytokinins to make cut flowers look fresh for longer. By adding this hormone to cut flowers, florists are able to slow down the aging process,